Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPSC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா இண்டஸ் சிவிலைசேஷன் சிந்து வெளி நாகரிகம். டைம்லைன் ஏன்ஷியன்ட் வேர்ல்ட் சிவிலைசேஷன். இங்கே வந்து சில டைம்லைன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. மெசோபோட்டமியா 3500 to 2000 BCE, எகிப்தியன் 3100 to 1100 BCE, இண்டஸ் வேலி 3300 to 1900 BCE, சைனீஸ் வந்து 1700 to 1122 BCE. All these civilizations were established only in places near the rivers, most commonly along their banks. டைம்லைன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அங்கே கொடுத்தது தான். மெசோபோட்டாமியன் வந்து 3500 to 2000 BCE, பிஃபோர் காமன் எரா. இண்டஸ் சிவிலைசேஷன் வந்து 3300 to 1900 BCE. எகிப்தியன் வந்து 3100 to 1100 BCE. சைனீஸ் வந்து 1700 to 1122 BCE. அவங்க எப்படி வாழ்ந்தாங்கன்றதை பார்க்கலாம். All the civilizations were established only in places near the banks, most commonly along their banks. Initially people lived in groups, then they formed communities out of these groups, then evolved the societies which in due course become civilizations. Why did people settle near the rivers? People prefer to settle near the rivers for the reason given below. The soil is fertile, fresh water is available for drinking purpose, watering livestock and irrigation. Easy movement of people and goods is possible. Discovery of a lost city, Harappa. The ruins of Harappa were first described by the British East India Company soldier and explorer Charles Mason in his book. When he visited the northwest frontier province, which is now in Pakistan, he came across some mysterious brick mounds. He wrote that they saw a ruined brick castle with very high walls and tower built on a hill. This was the earliest historical record of the existence of Harappa. In 1856 வந்து engineers வந்து railway line போட்டாங்க connecting Lahore to Karachi. They discovered more burned bricks. Without understanding their significance, they used the bricks for laying the railroad. In the 1920s, archaeologists began to excavate the cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They unearthed the remains of these long forgotten cities. In 1924, the Director General of ASA, Sir John Marshall, found many common features between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. He concluded that they were part of a larger civilization. Some slight differences are found in the earthenware of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. This made the researchers conclude that Harappa was older than Mohenjo-daro. Do you know? The Archaeological Survey of India (ASA) was started in 1861 with Alexander Cunningham as surveyor. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. இது கண்டிப்பாக கேட்பாங்க, இது தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. How do archaeologists explore a lost city? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க? Archaeologists study the physical objects such as bricks, stones or bits of broken pottery, sherds to ascertain the location of the city and the time that it belonged to. They search the ancient literary sources for references about the place. They look at aerial photographs of the excavation sites or cities to understand the topography. To see under the ground, they may use a magnetic scanner. The presence and absence of archaeological remains can be detected by radar and remote sensing methods. Sites in Indian borders. Archaeologists found major Harappan cities within Indian borders. எங்கெங்கே கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? மொஹஞ்சடாரோ, ஹரப்பன் சிவிலைசேஷன் வந்து மொஹஞ்சடாரோ, அம்ரி, காட்யூ, தொலாவிரா, லோத்தல், கன்வேரிவாலா, ஹராப்பா, மண்டா, ராக்கி கார்ஹி, கலிபங்கன், மிதாத்தை. டைம் ஸ்பேன் ஆஃப் இண்டஸ் சிவிலைசேஷன். ஜியாகிரபிக்கல் ரேஞ்ச் வந்து சவுத் ஏஷியா. பீரியட் பிரான்ஸ் ஏஜ். டைம் 3300 to 1900 BCE, பிஃபோர் காமன் எரா. டிட்டர்மைன் யூஸிங் த ரேடியோ கார்பன் டேட்டிங் மெத்தட். ஏரியா வந்து 13 lakh square kilometer. Cities 6 big cities. Villages more than 200. Urban civilization. Harappan civilization is said to be urban civilization because of the following reasons: well conceived town planning, astonishing masonry and architecture, priority for hygiene and public health, standardized weights and measures, solid agricultural and artisanal base. Unique features of Harappan civilization. Town planning is a unique feature of the Indus civilization. The Harappa city had two planned areas. Two planned areas of Harappa on the upper town and lower town. Upper town the part of the city to the west was higher and it is called Oitadal. It was used by the administrators. Great bath and granaries are located. Lower town the part of the city to the east was lower but larger. It was inhabited by common people. Mehergarh, the precursor to Indus civilization. Mehergarh is a Neolithic site. It is located near the Bolan basin of Balochistan in Pakistan. It is one of the earliest sites known. It shows evidence of farming and herding done by man in very early times. Archaeological evidence suggests that Neolithic culture existed in Mehergarh as early as 7000 BCE before Common Era. Street and houses பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். The streets are observed to have a grid pattern. They were straight, running from north to south and east to west and intersected each other at right angles. The roads were wide with rounded corners. Houses were built on both sides of the street. The houses were either one or two stories. Most of the houses had many rooms, a courtyard and a well. Each house had toilets and bathrooms. அவங்கள hygiene நல்லா ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு பார்த்தாலும் அதான். The houses were built using baked bricks and mortar. Sun-dried bricks were also used. Most of the bricks were of uniform size. Roofs were flat. There is no conclusive evidence of the presence of palaces or place of worship. Drainage system பார்க்கலாம். Many of the cities had covered drains. The drains were covered with slabs or bricks. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow. Holes were provided at regular intervals to clear the drains. House drains passed below many lanes before finally emptying into the main drains. Every house has its own soak pit, which collected all the sediments and allowed only the water to flow into the street drain. The Great Bath. The Great Bath was a large rectangular tank in a courtyard. It may be the earliest example of a waterproof structure. The bath was lined with bricks, coated with plaster, and made watertight using layers or natural bitumen. There were steps on the north and south leading into the tank. There were rooms on three sides. Water were drawn from the well located in the courtyard and drained out after use. The Great Granary. The granary was a massive building with a solid brick foundation. Granaries were used to store food grain. The remains of wheat, barley, millet, sesame and pulses have been found there. A granary with walls made up of mud bricks which are still in a good condition that has been discovered in Rakhi Kharhi, a village in Haryana belonging to mature Harappan phase. The Assembly Hall. The Assembly Hall was another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was a multi-pillared hall, 20 pillars in 4 rows to support the roof. Trade and transport. Harappans were great traders. Standardized weights and measures were used by them. They used sticks with marks to measure length. They used carts with spokeless solid wheels. There is evidence for extensive maritime trade with Mesopotamia. Indus seals have been found as far as Mesopotamia, Sumer, which are modern day Iraq, Kuwait and parts of Syria. King Naram-Sin of Akkadian Empire, Sumerian, has written about buying jewelry from the land of Meluka, a region of the Indus Valley. Cylindrical seals similar to those found in Persian Gulf and Mesopotamia have also been found in the Indus area. This shows the trade link between this area. A naval dockyard has been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. It shows the maritime activities of the Indus people. Dockyard at Lothal. Lothal is studied on the banks of a tributary of Sabarmati River in Gujarat. Leader in Mohenjo-daro. A sculpture of seated male has been unearthed in a building with a headband on the forehead and a smaller ornament on the right upper arm. His hair is carefully combed and beard finely trimmed. Two holes beneath the ears suggest that the head ornament might have been attached till the ear. The left shoulder is covered with a shawl-like garment decorated with designs of flowers and rings. The shawl pattern is used by people even today in those areas. Technology. Indus people have developed a system of standardized weights and measures. Ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat is 1704 mm, the smallest division ever recorded on a scale of other contemporary civilizations. அவங்க வெயிட்டுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறது. Infobits. The word civilization comes from the ancient Latin word civis, which means city. Do you know this little statue was found at Mohenjo-daro when Sir John Marshall saw the statue known as the dancing girl. He said, "When I first saw them, I found it difficult to believe that they were prehistoric modeling, such as this was unknown in the ancient worlds up to the age of Greece. I thought that these figures had found their way into levels some 3000 years old to which they properly belong." Do you know cavity complex? Korgai Vanji Tondi, spread over Afghanistan and Pakistan, has many places. Names of those were mentioned in Sangam literature. Korkai, Vanji, Tondi, Matrai, Urai and Kudalgar are the names of places in Pakistan. Kurgai and Bombuhar in Afghanistan are related to the cities and ports mentioned in the Sangam age. The names of the rivers Kavri and Porons in Afghanistan and the rivers Kaveri Wala and Fornal in Pakistan also occur in the Sangam literature. Do you know the hidden treasure of the Indus civilization? Inscriptions written in the script of those times can provide us information about customs, practices and other aspects of any place or time. So far, the Indus script has not been deciphered. Therefore, we must look for other clues to know about the Indus people and their lifestyles. Apparel. Cotton fabrics were in common use. Clay spindles unearthed suggest that yarn was spun. Wool was also used. Love and peace. Settlements were built on gain platforms and elevated grounds. The Indus civilization seems to have been a peaceful one. Few weapons were found and there is no evidence of an army. They displayed their status with garments and precious jewelry. They had an advanced civic sense. Ornaments. Ornaments were popular among men and women. They adorned themselves with necklaces, armlets, bangles, finger rings, earstuds and anklets. The ornaments were made of gold, silver, ivory, shell, copper, terracotta and precious stones. Iron was unknown to the people of Indus. Indus people used the red quartz stone called carnelian to design jewelry. Copper was the first metal discovered and used by humans. Historians believe that there existed a central authority that controlled planning of towns and overseas trade, maintenance of drainage and peace in the city. Occupation. The main occupation of the Indus civilization people is not known. However, agricultural, handicrafts, pottery making, jewelry making, weaving, carpentry and trading were practiced. There were merchants, traders and artisans. Rearing of cattle was another occupation. People of those times know how to use a potter's wheel. They reared domesticated animals. Pottery. Pottery was practiced using the potter's wheel. It was well fired. Potteries were red in color with beautiful designs in black. The broken pieces of pottery have animal figures and geometric designs on it. Infobits. The earliest form of writing was developed by Sumerians. What happened to Harappans? By 1900 BCE, the Harappan culture had started declining. It is assumed that the civilization met with repeated floods, ecological changes, invasions, natural calamity, climatic changes, deforestation, and epidemic. Do you know archaeological site at Mohenjo-daro has been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO? Do you know radiocarbon dating method, a standard tool for archaeology, also known as C14 method? The radiocarbon method uses the radioactive isotope of carbon called carbon 14 to determine the age of an object. ஆர்கியாலஜிக்கல் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வந்து இதை தான் யூஸ் பண்ணி அவங்களோட ஏஜை கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்க. General facts about Indus civilization. It is among the oldest in the world. It is also the largest among 4 ancient civilizations. The world's first plant cities are found in the civilization. The Indus also had advanced sanitation and drainage system. There was a high sense of awareness on public health. Summary. When man began to live in a settled life, it marked the dawn of civilization. River valleys were responsible for the growth of civilization. Harappan culture was mainly urban in nature. Cities were well planned with covered drainage and straight wide roads cutting each other at right angles. The people of that time had great engineering skills. The Great Bath is one of the earliest public tanks. The civilization extended from Makran coast of Baluchistan in west, Gagar-Akra River Valley in east, Afghanistan in the northeast, Maharashtra in the south. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built by King Khufu in 2500 BCE, built with limestone, 15 tons each. Mesopotamia, Sumerian period. Your ziggurat, built by King Ur-Nammu in honor of the moon god Sin. Abu Simbel, sites of 2 temples built by Egyptian king Ramesses II. Thank you. மறக்காம ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.